Are you planning to study in Ireland? If so, you will need to obtain an Ireland study visa. In today's video, you will find out everything you need to know about getting an Irish visa, right from the application stage to the documentation stage. First, let's understand the types of visas. You can apply for either a C study visa or D study visa depending on the duration of your course. Basically, the C study visa is for study programs or courses that are for a total duration of 3 months or less, whereas the D study visa is for study programs or courses that are longer than 3 months. To apply for Irish visa, you must first visit the official website of the Irish Immigration Service to complete your online student visa application. You will need to complete the online application form, submit supporting documents, and follow instructions on the summary application form generated by the system. The summary application sheet will also contain your application transaction number. Remember to provide accurate information. Once you have completed the application form, you will need to pay the Ireland visa application fee. After the payment and appointment booking process, the payment receipt and an appointment confirmation receipt will be sent to your email address. Also, you are required to be present at the Visa Application Center for providing your biometric information and to submit your documents. If your application is successful, you will receive your Ireland study visa. Congratulations! Remember to check the expiry date and any restrictions before traveling to Ireland. For your ease, the visa application process can be summarized in the following steps. Create your application online via AVATS, then print and sign the completed application form. Arrange your appointment with Visa Facilitation Service and pay the visa fees. Compile your supporting documentation, submit your documents to VFS or the Embassy of Ireland. Wait on your visa outcome. Coming to the cost then, VFS Global Service fee is Rs 3,380 per application, whereas the Ireland visa fees is at Euro 100 for a multiple entry visa. You must carry 2 color passport-sized photographs not more than 6 months old, copy of current passport and all previous passports and an application form. You must have an evidence that you opted for privately funded course. For any gaps in your educational history, fees has been paid to the college. Your academic ability to follow your chosen course and scores of English proficiency examination. Importantly, you should have evidence that you have immediate access to at least 7,000 euros. You must also demonstrate that you or your sponsor have ready access to at least 7,000 euros for each subsequent year of their studies in addition to course fees for each of those years. If the duration of the course is less than 6 months, then applicants must have an access to 500 euros per month of their stay or 3,000 euros, whichever is the lesser. Lastly, you must carry private medical insurance, previous visa refusals, and an agreement stating that the candidate intends to return to their home country upon finishing their course in Ireland. So this is the entire process for Irish visa. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe to Shiksha Study Abroad channel for more such videos.